Hello snorkeling friends. This time I report from Zanzibar about the Hotel Zuri. We first look at the hotel and then at the beautiful snorkeling hotspots all around. Zanzibar is a popular destination for all snorkel enthusiasts due to its breathtaking coral reefs and an incredibly diverse underwater world. The island offers numerous snorkeling spots that are easily accessible and are suitable for both beginners and experienced snorkelers. One of the most popular snorkeling areas is the island in the Nember. Nember is known for its turquoise waters, where you can observe turtles, dolphins, squid, and a variety of fish species. And this is exactly the island we visited first, here with the classic small boat, and now take a look at this water. Absolute madness. Let's see what's underwater. You see a lot of fish. Unbelievable. Of course, such unique moments must be experienced with the right snorkel equipment. That's why we focus on the quality of crumb. Everyone knows the clownfish. The males of the clownfish are known for their role in brood care. They take care of the eggs and ensure their aeration until they hatch. And did you know that clownfish can change their gender at any time? Next we went to the coral reef for snorkel. Corals are actually not plants but animals. They belong to the group of cnidarians and, with their calcareous skeletons, form the basis for the impressive reefs that we find in the seas of the world. However, it is important to treat corals with care when snorkeling, as they are very sensitive. Touching or third parties can damage corals and impair their growth. As a snorkeler, you should be careful not to step on or near corals and be careful not to touch corals. And that's why we tried to loosen the anchor of the boater again here. At the next snorkel hotspot there was a certain type of starfish that is able to filter smaller organisms directly from the sand by pumping water through its body and filtering out the food particles. This brings us to the end of the video. Explore Zanzibar with the right snorkeling equipment now. On Amazon or in our shop you will find the new snorkel mask Chrome Pro as here in the video excerpt. I wish you a lot of fun, and if you have to laugh when you appear in the next sequence, then give me a thumbs up. Have fun.